You know, I started with this one. I finally finished this one. And I put this little thing here together. Got the little inverter and little battery. And I put it out here to charge. Last night I was running my computer on it so I can look at the moon. Yeah. And I was in the garage. I was like, I had this big old yawling black thing staring at me. I was like, wait a minute. I can put everything in there and just carry it around. It's got flat sides. It's got flat sides where I can mount that. And then I can put an outlet on this side. And of course put the battery in there and lock it down somehow. Yeah. I think I'll do that. That's my next project. Hi folks, here's my project. This is it. I have a car plug here. Here's a switch. Go from my car plug to my, I got to straighten that up a little bit. There you go. From my car plug to my outlet. And here's a meter here. And on the side, that's the controller with a USB port. They like that 2.4. And the back, there is a charging port for the solar panel. Yep, there you go. And on the inside, let me close this down. Close this down, raise this up. Oh snaps, I got more work to do. Hey, stay tuned, subscribe. Hey, like this video. Hey, we're gonna get to work here. We got some soldering, some crimping, some shrink, and yeah, that's right. We got to do all of that. But stay tuned. We're gonna get it done. I'm gonna pin a link down in the comments for the barcode for this case here. Okay. So yeah, thanks for watching. Well, folks, time has come and gone. I've finished another project. Hi, folks. Yep. Well, how you doing? I'm good. Well, I finished it. There's the AC outlet. There's the automotive plug. This keeps getting crooked, but yeah. This right here is a 3-position 6-pole switch. The battery is off now. If I turn it one way, it'll be the DC. The other way it'd be the AC. I don't need to use them at the same time. Okay, there's my little meter. It's done fired up. And here is the charge controller. It's going back there. It's plugged in back there. And you know, that's basically it. That's it. Now let's test her out and see what's going on. Let's go with the DC fan here. We're gonna plug them in right here. Hopefully no fuse pop. Okay. We're gonna flip it this way. And we're gonna cut this fan on. There you go. It's just getting it. Now, let's cut this off. Now let's try this fan over here. Where's the cord at? Are you running? You're trying to get away from me, ain't you? Okay, here we go. Let's plug this one in. Switch it from there. Make sure this one's off. It's off. And let's cut that one on. And let's see what's going on. Let's cut the switch on, see what's going on. Booyah. There you go. We got it on low. Demonstration purposes only. But what the heck? Yeah, I bought this thing at Goodwill back in 2015. Now let's see if we can put it on high. Cause it's getting, oh yeah. We cooking. Let's see what I can't see that. 12.3, 12.7. Oh yeah, it's clocking down on high. Let's see what it bounced back to when I cut it off. I can cut it off with this switch. Yeah, 12.9, 12.51. Yeah, that's what a good battery will do. It'll recover once the load's off. So, there you go, folks. Now on to the next project.